Hello everyone, my name is Yosimite Panetta and we'll be discussing the parts of an egg, its composition, and the nutritive values of it. So let's start with this one, this yellow thing. You can see it's the most visible one out of all the parts. Anyway, so this is what we called the yolk. So the yolk makes up 33% of the live weight of an egg. So next up is this one. This is an albumin, or what we call an egg white, because it's the one who turns white whenever we cook it. Anyway, we have two kinds of albumin. So we have a thick albumin and a thin albumin. So unfortunately, we don't have a thick albumin. Why? Because the egg that we caught is old. So whenever an egg is old or gets older, the thick albumin gets thinner and thinner by the day and ends up looking like this. Only thin albumin left. So next up is, you can see it, but there's this white thing that's close to the yolk, and that's what we call chalaza. So chalaza prevents the yolk from getting stuck in the shell. So there are more parts of the egg that I can't really show you because it wasn't visible here, so I'm just gonna put a picture. Also the composition and the nutritive values of it. So bye.
So as you can see, we only have the shell, germinal disc or blastocyst, inner shell membrane, outer shell membrane, and air cell left. So this is all the remaining parts of an egg that we discussed earlier. So let's start. The shell is the outer covering of the egg, and it holds about 9 to 12% of its total weight depending on the egg size. Germinal disc or blastocyst. This is the entrance of the vertebra, the channel leading to the center of the yolk. The germinal disc is barely noticeable as a slight depression on the surface of the yolk. And now, vitelline membrane, inner shell membrane, and outer shell membrane. There are two kinds of membrane, one just under the shell and the other covering the yolk. These are the shell membrane and the vitelline membrane. Just inside the shell are two shell membranes, inner and outer. Air cell. This is the empty space between the white and shell at the large end of the egg, which is very existent in newly laid egg.
So now we'll be talking about the composition of an egg. So a whole egg has 65.5% water, 11.8% protein, 11% fat, and 11.7 ash. So an albumin takes up 58% of the whole egg and has 88% water, 11% protein, 0.2% fat, 0.8% ash. And yolk takes up 31% of the whole egg, and it has 48% water, 17.5% protein, 32.5% fat, and 2.0 ash. So now we'll be talking about the nutritive value of an egg. So an egg is indeed one of nature's complete food. It contains high quality protein with all the essential amino acid, all of the vitamins except vitamin C and many minerals. Egg products are particularly good for fortifying food dough in protein quality. Except for mother's milk, eggs provide the best protein naturally available. Egg protein is often used as a reference standard for biological values of the proteins.